I'm Dr. Joseph DeStefano, Urgent Care 24/7, here to chat with you about vitamin D. Vitamin D is kind of interesting. It's poorly named. When I was an undergrad in biochemistry, and the professor first drew up the structure of vitamin D and put it on the blackboard, all of us looked at it and said, that's a hormone structure. That's not really a vitamin. And literally we know how right we were. Now we know vitamin D is a prohormone. Early in my education, we were taught that vitamin D regulated your calcium levels and helped you build strong bones and teeth. And we're largely taught that was the only function of vitamin D. As the research has progressed, we've found out that the biochemists are right. It's a prohormone. It directly binds vitamin D, binds 300 different genes and counting. So this may be the most important vitamin in your body. Earlier I always said it was B12, but vitamin D is giving it a run for the money. Vitamin D, in addition to doing calcium and bone metabolism, which is very important, one of the earliest signs we have that somebody may have a vitamin D deficiency is spontaneous fractures in people that just shouldn't have spontaneous fractures. My earliest pickup of a vitamin D deficiency was severe was a young muscular male who spontaneously broke his tibia running across the street. Vitamin D level was 4. Lab normal is 25. We think healthy now is 60 or better.